friends, a very good afternoon to everyone. Today I am here with a new recipe called Sambar Vada in my Chop and Choose kitchen. This is one of South Indian special recipe which I am going to share with you now. For that we have to take the ingredients. Let's take the ingredients first. I have taken 300 grams of tur dal, 100 grams of onion shallots, that is sambar vengayam, and 2 big tomatoes I have taken, 1 big drumstick, 1 big carrot, and a small lemon size of tamarind, fresh coriander leaves, some jaggery. We need to season with salt, turmeric powder, sambar powder. I have not taken any homemade and all. I have taken the sambar pudi, Aachi sambar pudi. Don't confuse yourself. I am here to give you a quick simple recipe which will be very good. And I have taken asafoetida powder. And I have taken some oil, curry leaves, dry red chilies powder, mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, and 2 pieces of coconut. This we will grate, and when we are giving the tadka, we will add this coconut, and needed water. And now we will look for the vadas. I am going to make urad dal vadas. For that, medu vada. For that, I have taken 300 grams again of urad dal. I have soaked this and I have grinded this. Soak this for 1 hour and take a mixer jar. Grind it nicely to a nice fine paste. Needed oil, fresh coriander leaves in that, some crushed pepper. Pepper is good for health, so please include this in that, and some curry leaves. Don't add too much of species. I am telling you a simple recipe which is available at home itself. All the ingredients is available in home itself. Now to start with this, I am taking a pressure cooker on the stove. Now let the pressure cook be heated. It's heated. So now we are going to add the tur dal into this. Don't soak and all, just use directly. I have washed this and kept. Take this dal, tur dal. And to this tur dal, we have to add half liter of water. I have added half liter of water into this. Add some turmeric powder. I am adding half tablespoon of turmeric powder into this. Add the salt. Add 1 tablespoon, and again another tablespoon goes into this. Now add the asafoetida powder, that is known as hing. Hing is very good for health. So add asafoetida powder in this. I have added this much. This is half tablespoon. Give a nice mix. Now add the tomatoes into this. I have taken 2 tomatoes, so add this into this. This is needed. This is enough. Now lock this up and leave it to 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, I have given 8 to 9 whistles. Let's check whether the dal has been boiled or not. All the pressure from this and then open the pressure cooker. Now see, the dal has been nicely boiled. We have done nothing. We have added tomatoes, asafoetida powder and turmeric powder. First we have to add all these ingredients first. Then we have to smash this dal by using the dal smasher. Add little water into this. Now to the smashed dal, we have to again add the drumstick which I have taken. I have washed it and kept it here. One drumstick, add into this. One carrot, I'm adding into this. Now to this I am adding half of the onion shallots. Add only half of the onion shallots and keep the rest. We are going to use it in the tadka while giving tadka. Now I have added drumstick, carrot and the onion shallots. Now let's close the lid again and give 2 whistles. I have closed the lid. Let this boil. The drumsticks, the onions, shallots and the carrots have to get smashed. We are giving 2 whistles. Now I have given 2 whistles in this. Let's check whether the vegetables have been boiled or not. Look here. Vegetables are nicely boiled. Now we are going to add tadka in this. So we will keep this aside and take another pan for giving tadka. Now I have taken another pan for giving the tadka. Now I am adding 2, 3. In this teaspoon I have taken 10 teaspoons of oil. Let's get this heated. Now I am adding mustard seeds. 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. A few curry leaves. I am adding the dry red chilies. Now I am adding the remaining onions which I have kept aside. Let's fry this. Now I have fried all this. Add again a little bit of asafoetida powder in this. Pinch of asafoetida powder. And add the boiled dal which I have kept aside. Now I have added the dal in this. Now I am going to add the pulp which I have kept. Now see, I have taken the pulp from the tamarind which I have kept. 1 lemon size tamarind pulp I have taken. Drop in this. Now to this I am adding the sambar powder, Achi sambar powder. Three tablespoons of sambar powder I have added. Now adding the sambar powder, add a little bit of water. Should not be too thick. Check for seasoning. We have added only in the dal. Now it will be less. Add 1 more tablespoon of salt. I have checked for the seasoning. Salt is not enough. Add 1 more tablespoon of salt. And again add 1 more tablespoon of sambar powder. After checking only I am telling you that's not enough. Now the sambar is boiling. To this boiling sambar, we are going to add jaggery we have kept there. I have taken 1 tablespoon and a half tablespoon of jaggery. Mix water into this and add in this mixture. Now I have flowed it, and now I am going to add a jaggery into this by adding water. Slow the flames, give a nice shake. Then at last we are going to add the coriander leaves. I am adding the fresh coriander leaves. Take 1 piece of coconut, grate it, and then add into it. Now I have taken this grater. Again, add some fresh curry leaves into that. Our sambar is ready to be served. Now we are going to make the vada. Now my sambar is ready. I am taking this into a bowl. Now I have taken this in a bowl. I am garnishing it with some coriander leaves. It smells wow. When we take with the vadas, it will look even more yummy. Now to make the vadas, we will take a pan. Now the pan is heated. I am going to add oil in this. 1 bowl full of oil I am adding in this, because for the vadas the oil should be more. If you need more also, you can add. If you drop the vada batter, the vadas have to come off. Up. I have added another half bowl of oil into this, because the vadas have to come up if you drop the batter. So please note to that. Now let's get the oil heated. It's getting heating. Till the oil gets heated up, we will see the batter, the vada batter. We should mix and keep it aside for half an hour after grinding the batter. Now in this I am adding salt, 1 tablespoon, and a little bit of teaspoon again. Crushed pepper I am adding. This also 1 tablespoon I am adding, not more. Now we have to add the freshly coriander leaves into this. And the curry leaves too, that we have already taken. Add the curry leaves. Now I am adding this curry leaves. Chop it into small and then add it. Coriander leaves also have to be cut it into small, and then you have to add. Mix this batter very well. Add a little bit of soda in this. Only a pinch of soda, not more than that. I am adding only 1/4 tablespoon of soda in this. Don't add more. Now I have taken a plastic cover like this. It's an oil paper. I have applied oil on top of this so that the vada batter will go off nicely into the oil. Take the batter, keep on top of this, dip your finger in the water, give a nice round shape in this, dip into the batter, oil. Now I'm doing and showing it for you. It's very easy to do. Keep in a medium flame. It has to be cooked inside. So keep the flame in low, in a medium low flame. Now I'm turning this. It has to be in a nice brown color. Now for the sambar vada, the vadas have to be very soft. We are going to dip into the sambar. Now before dipping these vadas into the sambar, we have to cook this vada, fry these vadas, and then we have to dip this in hot water. Then squeeze it till the water goes off, and then you have to drop it in the sambar. I'll be showing you that. Now till that, we will keep one bowl full of hot water ready so that the vadas have to be dipped into that before going into the sambar. Now the vadas are going into a nice brown color. In another stove, I have kept some hot water. Now we are going to take these vadas and dip it in that water, squeeze it, and then drop it in the sambar. You see the brown color vadas. We are going to remove off. Now, when the oil fully goes off, dip it in the hot water. We will close the dish for some time and then we will squeeze and dip it in the sambar. You see the vadas have been soaked. Squeeze it, squeeze the whole water. And transfer it into a plate. Transferring these vadas in this clean bowl. Now I am transferring the sambar into the soaked vadas. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee in this. Now for the garnishing, I have taken fresh coriander leaves and onion to garnish the sambar vada. Now my sambar vada is ready to serve. It looks lovely, and when you taste, even more it will look very tasty. It will taste very good. So please do try it at home. Like, share, subscribe and comment me in my comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video.